What's up guys, welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter and today we are going over a bunch of super easy beginner projects. Most of these you can make with scrap wood. So I've got 4 projects that I'm about to show you that are brand new, I've never showed on this channel before, and then a couple others that I have showed before, but they're great beginner projects. Alright, the first one is a new project. This is a candle holder, but it's shaped like a mini picnic table. Not shaped, it is a mini picnic table. Basically, it's just those regular picnic tables that I make, the squirrel picnic tables, which are a little bit bigger, and then we just take it down a few notches, make it super small, and then drill a 1.5 inch hole in the top there, which is perfect for a candle, and bang, it's just a little candle holder. These things are super cute, super easy to make, and they're great gifts for people, and all it needs is some scrap wood. The next one, all the rage these days, are charcuterie boards. This is just a very small one. Basically, all I did was go ahead and buy a piece of maple, and you just cut it out. Charcuterie boards are a great beginner project because they don't take much skill at all. All you need to do is know how to use a jigsaw and know how to sand and coat it. So basically, you just sand it all the way up from 120 to 220. And then you're gonna water pop it. I've got a whole video on this on the channel, and just some cutting board oil. And the reason this one looks so spectacular and beautiful is because we only use Howard cutting board products. Basically what I did with this is I used Howard cutting board oil, and I did 2 coats of that. And then I went over it with Howard Butcher Block Conditioner. This stuff me and John love to use. We use it for all of our cutting boards and other projects. The next project I'm going to show you, we actually coat with this. We use that just as a finish for tons of projects around the shop. So shout out to Howard. They've been a big supporter of the channel in the past, and they continue to do so. If you want yourself some Howard products, we're going to leave a link in the description. That's all we use. Shout out to Howard. Moving on to the next project. The next project, if you've been a subscriber for a while, you've seen us talk about it a number of times, but it's the floating wine holder. This is just a piece of cherry, not necessarily scrap wood, because it's a good amount of wood. It's about 12 inches by 3 inches. Basically, you just drill a hole in it right here, and then you've got 40-degree angle cuts right there. Let me go grab a wine bottle and show you how it works. All you do, take your bottle and just put it all the way in there, and boom, it floats. I don't know how, and yes, I've seen this comment a lot. The answer is yes, it works with not a full bottle of wine. I don't know how, I don't have a half bottle here, but it does. I've tried it before. I have no idea how that works, physics or something. All right, a brand new project that we have never shown before, and it was actually one I made for my mother for Christmas. It is just a little decorative tree. This thing was super cool. I found it on Pinterest, and I had to make it. My mom loves this type of stuff. So basically all it is plywood. We started with a piece that, I believe the bottom piece was 4 inches by 4 inches. Put a 45-degree angle on all 4 sides. Then we worked up to a smaller piece. I think I did 3.5 by 3.5, 45-degree angle on all sides. Then did 3 inches, then did 2 inches, then 1.5, and then all the way down to 1 inch up here. And we just put a 45-degree angle on all 4 sides, and then stacked it on top of each other. So you just rotated those pieces every time, so they offset from each other, just like you see here. And then just put a little piece on the bottom there, glued that on for the tree stand there. But yeah, this has been up in my house for quite a while. It is a super easy project, and it's pretty cool. So, little tree thing. All right, the next project we have, another new one, is just simply toothbrush holders. Both of these are made from scrap pieces of plywood, and let me show you exactly what we're looking at here. Basically, it's just 3 pieces of plywood that I glued, and then I put some brad nails in the back to make them stick together. Put 4 1-inch wide holes on top there, and then you just simply place the toothbrushes in there. Toothbrush holders. Easy scrap wood project, and useful. You can use it. You can use it all the time. This is it. Yeah. All right, next project. This next project I'm very excited about because I've had a lot of fun with it. It is a mini golf hole. I'm calling it desktop golf. So basically, it's just a scrap piece of 1/2 inch plywood, and then I put some small pieces of 1/2 inch plywood on the edges. So there's buffers there. My girlfriend got me a mug for Christmas that has golf on it because I love golf. And it came with a mini pen that's a golf club. It's also a pen, and then a mini ball. But you can buy this type of stuff on Amazon, I'm sure, if you want to actually be able to play with your little mini golf hole. But yeah, look at that, hole in one. So this has been great, just something to fool around with when you have extra time just on the desk or something. I actually made a bigger version, so let me show you that. So I made this one quite a while ago. It's been sitting in my garage for a while, so it's pretty dusty. But basically this one is a much longer piece of plywood. This hole right there, John tried to paint the hole black. He thought it would look cool, but clearly that didn't work. But this piece is actually just some leftover green rug we have. So it's actually like, you know, green like a mini golf course. And it's a lot bigger, so it's definitely harder to get that hole in one. Still got it. These are super cool projects to do, to build, for fun. Good to give us gifts for people who have an office, who are bored, or the golf lover. So guys, that is gonna do it for this video. Those are the projects I've got to show you today. Like I said, some new ones, some old ones. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you liked this video, stick around because very soon, me and John have a video coming up called 100 Woodworking Projects. I don't know if it's that sell or that you can make or something, but we are making a video very soon of 100 woodworking projects, stuff that we've covered on the channel before, stuff that we haven't covered on the channel before, but we're just putting it all together. 100 projects that you can make to get your ideas flowing. That one is going to be coming out very soon, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.